All right, you guys, I have this closet right here in my hallway. Like, there's one bedroom, there's a bathroom, and there's another bedroom right there. So I made some space in here. As you can see, have some space. I found these little containers for like under $1 at Walmart, and I'm gonna use this space here. I might clear out this bottom area, this bottom shelf. Not this one. I'm gonna keep this one like this. But I'm gonna end up clearing out this bottom one, and I'm gonna use this to to store extra food, like dry goods and stuff. Because you know, even though they're saying the pandemic is over, it's not. And you know, I can't even find regular Gatorade. Like I've been looking for regular Gatorade, you guys, and I can't find it. So let me show you what I will be putting in this cabinet. And yeah, so I have one. Oh, okay. Oh, now you want to say hi. Okay, move it away. I have 1, 2, 3 cases of the 40-pack of water from Kroger's. I picked up this Kroger's sports drinks. Okay, he's all in the way. Sport drinks right here, because I can't, like I said, I can't find Gatorade anywhere. Picked up some potatoes. I picked up 3 of these. I picked up 2 of these, as you can see. That is some honey. Picked up some Baby Rays. Another pack of Capri Suns. Picked up some ranch. Another box of corn. Some chicken stock. And picked up, I don't know if you can see this or not, but picked up some Prego, some salsa, some coconut oil. Can you please move? You're like all in my way, dude. Move your body. Thank you. I picked up some chili. I got some applesauce down there. Picked up some Spam. Another box of cereal for the boys. I picked up two more of those things, pistachios. Okay, that's it. Out my kitchen. Go. Thank you. No. Okay. I got some. Ooh, there we go. Some Worcestershire sauce. Here he comes again. He's just all up in the way, you guys. Ooh, boom. Stay. Picked up some salt. This is marinara sauce. Picked up some ranch seasoning, some bacon bits, some pepper. I think I showed you guys Himalayan salt. A thing of Jeffy, another thing of marinara sauce, and steak seasoning. I also picked up some of these for myself. So this is my current state of my pantry, you guys. This is my current state of my pantry. It needs, you know, some reorganization, some stuff done. Yeah, so I'm gonna work on this too. All right, so this is what I have so far. I did date everything, so I know when it actually came in, so it'll be a lot easier for rotation. But I went ahead and I emptied out this bottom portion too, and I'm gonna sweep it out and mop it, and then I'm gonna fill it, because hubby said we have the means to do it, so go ahead and fill it up. So that is what I did. So now I'm gonna show you guys everything I picked up at Walmart. All right, so here is everything I picked up at Walmart. Don't mind the zero water pitcher or the Kool-Aid pitcher, but yeah, so here we go. I'm gonna start down here. I went ahead and picked up some chili seasonings, some taco seasoning. You know, I do have a big thing of the taco seasoning, but these are for my little extra pantry. over there. Picked up a bag of pinto beans. This is gonna go in the second pantry I just showed you guys, because I already have a bag of beans that's I think it's 8 pounds or 10 pounds or something, and I'm like halfway through that. Got 3 things of Jiffy cornbread mix. I'm going to put one in my pantry right here in the kitchen, and then the other 2 are going to go in the small pantry. Okay, I picked up 2 things of seasoned greens, mixed greens here. They're going to go in the small pantry. I picked up 2 things of the sweet potato. I picked here. Yeah, got 2 of these. I wanted to try them, and I'm the only one who likes sweet potatoes, so it's like fine. I picked up a thing of red beans. I found these here. I didn't find the dried ones, but mixed chili beans. I was like, oh, that's gonna save me a step. Then I found this Wolf brand chili with no beans but Angus beef. So I got 3 of those. So next here I got 3 things of sliced carrots. They're going in a small little pantry here. Got some sandwich here. Only got 2 because I do have some in my working pantry right now. My working pantry is my pantry in my kitchen. So I got these to go with this roast beef meat if we wanted to make sandwich, if we, you know, have like hard times and we don't have ground beef, you know. So I got 3 of those. I'm gonna put the date on all of them, and these actually expire. Oh, I didn't notice this can got dent. Okay. Best used by March 5th of 2024. So these are gonna last a while. I also picked up some Great Value pulled pork, so that can go with that. I saw these are whole carrots, so I got 3 of those. I didn't know my husband ate these, so I got him a small pack of these. I got some green beans for the boys. Now I wanted to have milk in my small pantry, so I got almond milk. This is the milk I drink, so this is going to go in the pantry. This is some instant dry milk, so this is the powder milk. I got 2 of those. I'm missing a milk. There it is. And I picked up this milk too. It's whole milk. This will go in the pantry too. I got 2 things of Alfredo pasta. I got 2 small bottles of vinegar and this big bottle of vinegar. I got this thing pancake mix back here. This is just what the 5-pound bag one, because Costco didn't have the other one. Got this big thing of Pop-Tarts. And I'm going to show you guys where the Pop-Tarts are going to go. They're not going to go in the other pantry. So like the dried milk, I actually picked up 2 boxes of these. They expire February 19th of 2023. I got 2 of these fruits here. Back here, I got 3 of these virgin olive oils, 1 vegetable oil, 3 of these baking flours. Then over here, I use these for whenever I make chili, so I stocked up on them. This is gonna go in my seasoning drawer, and these are gonna go in my little pantry. So I got 3 of those. And when you're doing this, you wanna make sure you look at the expiration date. I don't know if you guys can see that. But February of 2026 is when these expire. So that's gonna be good for a long time. Besides water, I wanted to, you know, use these that we can put in water bottles. So this one actually expires in 2022. This one expires in 2023. So there we go. And I saw these. This basically, you can make macaroni and cheese. All I gotta do is heat up the cheese like in a microwave or in the oven and pour it in your pasta. It shows you on the side what you can use it for. So yeah, I got 3 of those. I got some French's onions. I got them in these bags instead so they'll last longer. Where's the expiration date? They expired June 2nd of 22. So I want it just in case, you know, so we got just add milk and egg. And, you know, if we need milk, like I showed you guys before, we had that powdered milk. So I got 2 of these cornbreads, 2 of these wild berry muffin mix, 2 blueberry muffin mix. By the way, you guys want to make sure you put stuff in your put away that you guys actually eat. So me and hubby loves these, so I got a few of these. It comes with everything you see right there. It comes with all of it. As you can see, it shows you right there what it contains. And there's the expiration date. These will be gone way before then, you guys. But yeah, I got 4 of those. I also got 2 of these 3-pack of the tuna salad, which is just the tuna and crackers. So I got 2 of those. This is my favorite cereal right here. I eat this. So I got me 2 boxes of those. And I know you guys know what these are. There's a cornflakes. I got hubby his big thing of cornflakes. And I saw these. So, you know, if something does happen and I can't find my can opener or something, these are Spam singles. And I was like, well, there's 5 of us. Let me grab 5. If we don't like them, you know, we will use them. Okay, so there we go. My current working pantry. Yeah, I had to reorganize in here, you guys. But I did not touch the very top shelf right here. I did not touch that one, but this is my working pantry. That's right here in my kitchen, right next to my fridge. And my extra pantry right here. I brought in those baskets in here and I stacked them up with stuff in there. We got the milk at the bottom, 1 bottle of barbecue sauce, orange chicken sauce, or for orange chicken, vinegar. Here's all my canned goods. This is basically veggies on this side and my canned meat on that side. Yeah. Then I believe I showed you guys all the rest of this stuff here. This is like loose items and stuff in here. My marinara, my salsas back there, my peanut butter. You never know when you need this, so I have that. My extra barbecue sauce, I got ranch. I got syrup back there, honey, some seasonings. This is not all my seasoning. I don't know if you can see it, but I have some seasonings down here too. Spaghetti sauce, oil, chicken stock, brownie mix, cereal. This is all fruit on this side, and crackers and cereal. And let me show you where everything else is. All right, I am in my walk-in closet, so as you guys can see, I keep all the snacks in here because, yeah, my kids like to get extra stuff that they're not supposed to. So this is where the snacks are, the top shelf of my master bedroom closet, and everything is dated. Then right here, I do have some jugs of water right there. I do have 3 of my 40-pack of waters here. I have Coke and Sprite. Then I have, this is from Costco, you guys, the raspberry lemonade. You guys can see that. Why is this blurry? I do have 2 more of these cases of water. They're actually right next to my deep freezer. So whenever I make another Costco run, I'm going to get at least 3 more of these waters, and I'm actually going to put them underneath the beds. And I'm probably going to get another jug of water as well. But yeah, so that is everything. everything there. That is how I'm currently storing my little mini pepper pantry situation. I'm only storing what I eat, and I eat what I store. So if you guys are curious about the boys' snack drawer unit, that is actually going to be sitting on the counter in my kitchen.